Our mission is to transition Utah to sustainable water and air through artificial turf adoption. Artificial grass is one of the many ways as Utah residents we can step up and save water. We've had a call from leaders in the state to do everything we can to save water. There are rebates coming out. You can save up to $3 per square foot depending on what city you live in just by switching from natural grass to artificial grass. This is a call to action. It is our responsibility to save water. Scientists have warned us of poisonous air quality. Things like arsenic and heavy metals will be in the air quality here in the Wasatch Front. We need to do everything we can to prevent this health crisis. So what is artificial grass? It comes in many different types. There's putting greens right behind me. There's luxury grass that you can have around your pool. There's even very natural looking grass. It doesn't have to look like plastic. Some of our natural looking fibers can replicate the look of natural grass, so you will love it even in your front yard as well. You should consider artificial grass, not just to save water, but save time. Enjoy your backyard, enjoy your front yard, enjoy time with your family. You can save up to 3 times the amount of water by switching to artificial grass. This customer right here used 50,000 gallons last year. In the same month this year, they used only 15,000 gallons. Is artificial grass even safe? Is it safe for my kids? Is it safe for my pets? The answer is yes. At SYNLawn, we have the only plant-based artificial grass in the world. It's the only USDA-certified grass. It's made with soybeans and sugarcane. Some people may choose to install artificial grass on their own, but it can be very difficult. We recommend using our professional installers that have been installing artificial grass for over 20 years. There are so many advantages from switching to natural grass to artificial grass. It's maintenance free, no more mowing your lawn, no more muddy paws from the dogs tracking mud into your home. You can save thousands of gallons of water and help keep water in the Great Salt Lake. Switch to artificial grass with SYNLawn. Give us a call today or look us up at synlawnutah.com.